Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to pay on AliExpress. So paying on AliExpress is simple and secure. When you've added items to your cart and you are ready to check out, first of all, check if your delivery address right here is correct. So you can see your current address, you can add new address, and you can edit your current one if there's any problem with it. But make sure that it's correct, because if it's not correct, you will simply not receive your item. Okay, so now let's proceed to payment section, payment method section, and AliExpress accepts a variety of options, including PayPal, your Apple Pay, and some local payment methods depending on your country. So when you entered your payment details, you should confirm your payment method, and review once again if your order is correct. Make sure that the items, quantities, and shipping address are correct. And after confirming, click Pay Now button, and your money will be processed and held safely by AliExpress until you confirm receipt of the item. And in the case if anything goes wrong, you can open a dispute to get a refund. So that's how we pay on AliExpress. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content just like this.